Welcome, welcome dear student in one another session of Pharmaceutics First Practical. Myself Darshana Sandeep Shinde and we move towards our next experiment. Our today's experiment is experiment number 15. That is it. Title of our experiment is to prepare, evaluate and submit 20 ml of peppermint spirit PP by simple solution method. In this method, in this section, we see the spirits, how we prepared the spirits, different kinds of spirits, but here we see the peppermint spirits. Learning outcomes of our today's sessions are: after watching this video, students should be able to develop the intellectual skills such as to understand the concept of solubility, then motor skills such as skill for the measurement. Then we next move toward the theory regarding this experiment. Now we see the theory of the spirits. Introduction to spirits, it involves the spirits are defined as the alcoholic or hydroalcoholic solutions of a medicinal substance as the volatile substances. These are the alcoholic or hydroalcoholic solutions obtained from the volatile substances. Then spirits, the alcohol concentration of the spirit is high, ranging from 60 to 85%. Then spirits are used as a flavoring agent. Then they are popularly known as the essences. This preparation must be stored in a closed container to avoid the loss of the alcohol or volatile principle by the evaporation. That's why they should be stored in a light resistance container. The light energy decomposes the volatile constituents with the loss of the flavor. That's why it should be stored in a light resistance container. They should be kept in a cool place at the temperature below the 20 degrees Celsius. They should be protected from the flame or fire for that same purpose, that is the decomposition, to avoid the decomposition of the volatile constituents. Then preparation of the spirits. Generally, one of the following method is used for the preparation of the spirits. While preparing the spirits, it should be prepared by different method. First one is the simple solution method. The majority of the spirits are prepared by this method, which consists of dissolving the volatile substances in the alcohol by the agitation. Example of its chloroform spirit, spirit of ether, etc. That means simply we add our ingredient spirit and mix it. Then next is solution with the maceration. The method consists of the macerating the leaves of the drug in a suitable solvent to exclude the undesirable constituents or to extract desired. The constituents of the leaves of a drug are made macerated by the water to extract water soluble constituents. It is expressed and to the mark the alcohol is added. This mixed with the filtered liquid. Example of its peppermint spirit. This can be prepared by solution with maceration or maceration method. In this, simply the drug is mixed with the alcohol content or alcohol and then filtered it. Then chemical reaction. Official products are not prepared by this method. In the preparation of ethyl nitrate spirit, this method is employed using the sodium nitrate with a mixture of the alcohol and sulfuric acid in the cold. Then last one method is the distillation method. Aromatic spirit of ammonia is prepared by this method. Brandy and whiskey are also prepared by the distillation method. This is the distillation assembly, in which there is the round bottom glass condenser. When we heat the drug or heat the solution, the flames are get evaporated, and then these flames are condensed or cooled into the condenser, and then lastly collected into the distillate, and here we get our distillate. After getting theory, we move towards the apparatus required for our preparations are conical flask, glass beaker, glass rod, volumetric cylinder, dispensing balance and spatula. Then we move towards the formulation table. Here our formula is mentioned in the BP. That's why we take the formula from the BP. Ingredients, our formulation tables should contain ingredients, quantity given, quantity taken, and use of ingredients. Ingredients: peppermint oil 100 ml for 1000 ml, and alcohol 90% QS2 1000 ml. Here we use alcohol as a vehicle, and most of all the spirits should be prepared in the alcohol as a solvent, in a solvent. For this formula is given for 1000 ml, but we want to calculate quantity for only 20 ml. That's why we calculated the factor. Factor can be calculated by quantity required upon quantity given. Our quantity required is 20, quantity given is 1000, our factor is not 20. By this 20, we multiplied 100 and we ultimately get the quantity required for the 20 ml. So we get the 2 ml and alcohol QS2 2 ml. The use of the peppermint oil as a carbonative and alcohol as a solvent. Then we move towards the stepwise procedure. Stepwise procedure involves: dissolve the peppermint in 90% alcohol and stir vigorously. If the solution is not clear, shake it with the 50 gram of talc for 1000 ml preparation. And we should calculate the concentration of the talc. Here 150 gram is given for the 1000 ml, but we require the 20, so our quantity will be the little one, only the 0.04 gram. Then set aside and filter to get the clear liquid. Alcohol content is 78 to 82% volume by volume. Category of our preparation is aromatic, carbonative, and in use in a dental preparation. Storage: it should be stored in a cool and the dark place. Then we move towards the laboratory for the actual procedure.
Welcome dear student in our pharmaceutics first laboratory. Today we see how to prepare the peppermint spirit BP by simple solution method. For this experiment, what are the chemicals and apparatus required we see here. For this experiment we require the peppermint oil and ethanol, 90% ethanol. And if our peppermint oil is not dissolved in the ethanol, then we require a talcum powder, but it is not mentioned in our formula, which is mentioned in the BP, British Pharmacopoeia. And in the apparatus section, we require the measuring cylinder, beaker, and this filtrating assembly. Take a beaker. We already measured the 2.5 ml of peppermint oil. Pour this peppermint oil and add ethanol QS2 20 ml. We take the ethanol less than 20 ml because we have to match up the volume. Add this ethanol into the peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is volatile in nature, though it is mixed with the ethanol because it is mixed in alcohol, but it is insoluble in the water. Our solution, peppermint oil, is completely mixed with the alcohol, and finally we make up the volume with the ethanol. Our volume is already 20 ml. See, our preparation is clear one. If our peppermint oil is not well mixed with the ethanol, then we have to add the talcum powder. The proportion of the talcum powder is 50 gram per 1000 ml, and our 20 ml its quantity is almost just 1.25 gram of talcum powder we required, but here is no need of talcum powder addition because peppermint oil is well mixed with the alcohol. Then we pour this solution into the amber color bottle. Our preparation contains it is spirit. It is made in a alcohol base. That's why the solution is volatile one. and we stored our solution into the amber color bottle. We see that our solution is clear one. It has a aromatic odor and the quantity is 20 ml. It is a colorless. In this way our peppermint spirit is ready. Then move towards the labeling and formatting section.
After getting through the stepwise procedure, we move towards the observation and evaluation table. Observation and evaluation table is maintained as it should contain the name of your preparation, test, specification and observation. Name of our preparation is peppermint spirit BP. Test contain description. We see in a practical its description is clear. We also confirm that test. Then color of our preparation is colorless. We also confirm that test. Odor is aromatic. That's why we confirm that test. Odor is aromatic because of our preparation contain the volatile oil or volatile contents. Then volume is 20 ml. So all the we evaluate our product and it should confirm and passes the test. Then we move toward the formulation, labeling of the formulation. Label should be maintained as, or it should be written as in the following manner. First of all, the name of our preparation, the peppermint spirit BP. Then in the right hand side, the volume or net content of your preparation, which that is 20 ml, we should mention here. Then each 20 ml contain or each 1 ml contain, write the concentration. Here we mention the each 20 ml contains peppermint oil 2 ml, alcohol 90% QS2 2 ml. Category, its category is carminative and it is in a dental preparation. Storage, it should be stored in a cool and a dark place away from the light, that is amber color bottle. It should be stored in an amber color bottle. Then the label, the for external use only, it is for the external use only. Then manufacturing details such as the manufacturing license number, manufacturing batch number, manufacturing date, then expiry date and maximum retail price, and at the last the name and address of the manufacturer should be mentioned. This is the, in this way we should label our solutions. Then result should be written as 20 ml of peppermint spirit BP is submitted in a cool place away from the light with the neat labeled. In this way our experiment is finished one. But questions regarding this experiments are: define spirits. We see that the spirits are the substances which contain the maximum alcohol content, and these are for the external use only. What are the different methods of preparation of the spirits? There are 4 methods: simple solution method, chemical method, maceration method and distillation method for the preparation of the spirits. What are the storage conditions for the spirit? Though spirit is contain the maximum alcohol content, and there is so the spirit should be stored in a such a container that away from the light, or it should be stored in an amber color container that we easily protected from the direct sunlight. State the other name of the spirit. Spirits are also known by the other preparations, just like the essence, volatile preparations. Then calculate the strength of the preparation in terms of the absolute alcohol by the alligation method. By the alligation method, we can calculate its absolute need or absolute strength. But in the preparations, the absolute strength is the 78 to 82%. Then what are the carbonatives? Carbonatives, these are the drugs, or these are the agents which increases which expel the gases from the GIT and increases the peristaltic movement. Example of it, the aromatic water used as a carbonative is the dill water or peppermint water, etc. In this way we finish this. In this way we finish our experiment number 50, that is preparation of the peppermint spirit. Thank you very much for attending my practical session. Thank you.